Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today I'm gonna show you how to comment with a GIF on Instagram post. First of all, make sure that you are running the latest version of the Instagram app by going to your app store. Update the app if you have to. Open your Instagram app, then scroll into your Instagram feed and choose a post that you want to comment on. So for example is this post. Next to the like button, click this. Now for those of you who's getting an update, you will see a GIF selection here next to the post, and that's how it's done. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.